All right, guys, this is going to be a quick video to make sure you can use your calculator to do logarithms. So let's check it out. First of all, let's say you want to do the log of 36. Close that parentheses, divided by the log of 6. Now we know this should be equal to 2 because 6 to the second power is 36, and it's equal to 2. We could also probably do it this way. Choose number 1, press enter, and then do log 36 divided by, let's go down here, divided by log of 6, enter, get 2 that way. There may be one more way to do it. I'm going to do a little testing out something here. Okay, let's go to quit. Let's go to math. Okay, right here, this one. Log base. There you go. Log base 6 of 36. So all three of these expressions are the same. They all equal 2. So again, a lot of different ways to use your calculator there, guys. I hope you picked up on that. That's really all I'm going to do. So remember, you've got the log button right here. Okay. If you go to math and you hit the up arrow 2 times, it'll take you to this one, log base, which if you hit enter, will let you put it in that way. Or you can just put it in either of these other 2 ways with real simple keystrokes. So anyway, they're all pretty much the same. So hopefully you can use your fancy calculator to do the logarithm calculations. All right.